How to change your name in mini football. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you're on the latest updates. This tutorial is super simple and easy. So it does help you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment section. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go all the way to the left. You're gonna have to click on the avatar option right here. As you guys can see, your name option. It should say guess something if you haven't changed your name. So just click on that. Then once you click on that, it should bring you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this first option right here, where it's that little pencil icon after your name. So just click on that. Now from here, you could put your name to anything you want. So as you guys can see, it is saying first change is free. So you could go over here and change your name to anything you want. So I'm gonna put Instructify. Then once you like the name you want, just click on the change option right here, which should be green. Then once you do click on change, it's gonna say confirm change. Your name is gonna be changed to Bluff. So just click on confirm. And once you do that, your name just changed. So as you guys can see, my name just changed over here. So if this video did help you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.